Hello children, good morning. Today we'll start 11.5 exercise of geometry, that is measuring line segments. Okay. So now when you measure a line segment means what? A particular length of a line. Okay. So we use this scale. Okay. So in the scale, always you see the scale here, the zero mark on the scale is at one end. We keep when you measure the line segment, you see I'm showing you how to do. Keep the scale like this. Suppose this is a line segment, this one is a line segment, it is A and B. We have to measure this line segment. So what to do? First of all, you have to take the scale and see the zero mark. See the zero mark of the scale. Okay. So this zero mark should be placed at the first starting point here. Okay. See. Then we have to see the end part. Okay. So now count. It is 1 centimeter, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 centimeter is already completed, but it is less than 8 centimeter. So what you have to do? After 7 centimeter, you count all the small divisions, that is of 1 millimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 7.4 centimeter. So we'll write here 7.4 centimeter. Okay. So when you are measuring, don't keep your scale like this. Always put the first zero mark, okay, at the starting point. Then you see the last point where it is coming. Now, see your book. Okay. So, same way, draw a line segment of given length. Okay. We mark 2 points. First of all, you have to first mark 2 points. Starting point and ending point as A and B, okay, or CD, any name you can give. Then you put the scale, okay, and the tip of the pencil should be very sharp. Okay. Now see the book. 11.5. Join the following and also measure their length. Okay. So A, B. Now see, this is A point, this is B point. While when you are taking the pencil point should be very sharp. Okay. Then first of all, put your pencil point, okay, on one, then B, and then what you have to do? Draw the line to join both. Now we join the line. Then what to do? We have to measure the length. How? First you put the zero mark at the A part and then see at B part what is the length. Okay, it is 3.7. okay, so write here 3.7 centimeter. Sometimes 0.1 centimeter varies from scale to scale, so it is manageable. If you get 3.6 or 3.8, okay, then it is also manageable. 0.1 centimeter is negligible, so you can consider that. First of all, join X, Y. See, first I put, then like this, then join, then see, it is, see, zero mark I put here in the starting point. Now see, it is 2 centimeter is already covered, then 0.1, 0.2 or 0.3. You can take 2.3 or 2.2 also. So I am writing here 2.3 centimeter cm. Okay, like this you can do PQ and MN. I have done these two. Now see question number 2. Measure the line segments and write their length. So already the line segments are drawn. Here you have to write the length. Only measure and write. Now first of all see LM. Okay. Put a scale. L point, zero mark at the L point here. Next you see how many centimeter length it is. It is 2.6 centimeter. Okay. So write here 2.6 centimeter. So when you are saying, see here children, when it is 2 already covered but it is less than 3, so you small divisions you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6. Okay, it is coming till 6, so 2.6 centimeter. Next AB, same, the 0 mark, 0 point, yes, starting point here, then adjust the last point, it is 2.567 centimeter. So you can write 2.7 or 2.8, both are correct. 2.7 centimeter. In this way you measure CD, okay, XM, PQ and FG, then write the measurement here. Now question number 3, draw line segments of the following length. So here the length measurement are given, you have to draw the line segment. When you are drawing the line segment, very important is to give the name. You see all the line segments have name and we use the capital letters, okay. Now 8 centimeters, so I'll keep the scale tight like this, okay, on the plane. Then at 0 point you put a dot, okay. Then 8 centimeter, where is 8 centimeter? See here it is 8, so I put another dot here. Then join these two dots, okay. You got 8 centimeter, give the name A, B and write here 8 centimeter. In this way 7 centimeter you can draw here. Next you see C, I am doing the C question. It is 6.5 centimeter. So first of all you put your scale, then 0 mark, put a dot, starting point, then see 6.5, it is 6, then to get 0.5 you have to come to the middle. See in between 6 and 7, that is 0.5, here it is 1 2 3 4 5, if you count also you will get. Then join both the points and write here CD, any alphabet name you can give, CD 6.5 centimeter. And if you are comfortable you can draw this also in your notebook, so it will be more neat. Like this 8.4 centimeter, 8.4, first 0, then 8, 1 2 3 4, okay. Then both the points you join, or I'll give the name EF, 8.4 centimeter. It is E, question E. This is question number C, this is question number A. 9.0 centimeter, 9.0 centimeter means 9 centimeter. So in this way you draw all the line segments in your notebook. This third question you do in your notebook, so that it will be more neat. Question 1 and 2 you do in do in book.